Meow. Okay. Hold on, I need to take the trash out. Why can't I open this? Finally. Oh my gosh, pigeons! Get away from me! Evil. Evil, I say evil! Why is there grass in my trash can? Grass in my trash can. Was that a crow? Hi, Shelby. Yeah, baby, Shelby. Oh my gosh, it's one of those evil things again. Pigeons. Evil, I tell you, evil. Look at them red eyes. Look at them walk. Just evil. I'm just gonna get out of here. Hi, Charlotte. Are you going to hammock? Charlotte? Hammock. You want to get on the hammock? No? Let's go to Mordecai. Hi, look at Mordecai! Let me touch you. I haven't touched you in like, what, 5 or like 3, 2, 5, like 3 months. I want to touch you. Let me pet you. Please, Mordecai. Mordecai. Mordecai, let me pet you. Mordecai. All right. Since I'm going to the other side. We're stuck. Oh, never mind. Is that a pretty person? Refrigerator. Don't know why. There's a refrigerator in our basically spare garage. Oh my gosh, there's nails everywhere. Look at this madness. Look at this madness. You have a nail here, nail there, nail everywhere. Jeez. The only safe spot is not even the side. The only safe spot is this handle. Time to close the door. It's so difficult to like always close this. And then I don't know what this is for. Charlotte! Boy, Charlotte! Come here, Charlotte! Charlotte! Oh, now you come. Mordecai, stop trying to hop the fence! Stop! Mordecai! Good shot. Charlotte! Good shot. A very good Charlotte. Should I do this? Should I not? Should I do this? Charlotte? Pigeon! Get away! You evil! It's okay, Charlotte. He's gone now. Oh my gosh, look at his red evil eyes. Look at him. Might be blurry right now, but look at them. Care if they're nice? Evil. Get them away from me right now. Now these are very beautiful floofs. And those are very evil floofs. And that's just a garage. And this is a floof. Floof. Charlotte. Show in your inner floof. Come here and show me your inner floof. We must hide. I'm going on the roof. I'm kidding. I've gone on the roof before. Not really. It was kind of fun, but no, really. Where do we have my Charlotte? Charlotte. Evil pigeon rat thieves. Hola. Look at the outside world. Charlotte! Oh, now you're just gonna eat. I see, Mr. Shar. Now you're, Mrs. Shar, she's a girl. Anyways, yeah, Shar. I see you're eating. I'm gonna go over there and pet you. If I get bitten, I have it on camera. Why do I keep messing around with this camera? ¿Qué haces, Fernando?
Aquí nomás. ¿Tú?
Miau.
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 Miau.